unsing. The voices in your head have all begun to sing. I sure as hell hope I am listening. I sure as hell hope you are listening. It's time to take a hold of what belongs to me. It's time to walk away with no apologies. Voices in the mirror stop quietly. Now screaming black and white. Spend your life waiting. And all the lights can hear me whispering. I'm terrorizing, are you listening? The rings of silence circle endlessly, and I'm still waiting. I cast my hope upon the Pleiades, the seven sisters who would come from me. They fall to life to grant a child's dream, but I'm still waiting. There's a dream still worth saving. I cling to a promise, and I am still waiting. Question of why and if she'll make it. It's more a question of when and how she'll take it. Standing out there alone, completely naked. Another secret's been kept and left her tainted. Nothing more she can do to make them change it. She does the best that she can to rearrange it. There's still the question of how she's